course here's a script for you based on your style, Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into the brand new Realme C38, one of the most exciting budget smartphones of 2025. If you are looking for a stylish phone packed with great features without burning a hole in your pocket, you might want to stick around for this one. Starting with the design, the Realme C38 brings a refreshing look that easily stands out in its category. The device features a sleek and slim profile with beautifully rounded edges, making it comfortable to hold for long periods. The rear panel showcases a glossy finish that shimmers under the light, giving it a premium vibe. Realme has introduced vibrant color options this year, so you can pick one that really matches your style. The camera module is neatly placed on the top left corner, blending well with the overall aesthetic. Moving to the display, the Realme C38 comes with a large 6.7-inch IPS LCD panel. It offers a full HD plus resolution that makes videos, photos and games look crisp and vivid. Whether you are binge watching your favorite series or scrolling through social media, the viewing experience on this phone is truly enjoyable. Plus, the ultra-smooth refresh rate makes animations and transitions feel snappy and fluid, a rare treat in the budget segment. Under the hood, the Realme C38 is powered by a newly upgraded octa-core chipset built for everyday performance. Multitasking feels effortless, switching between apps is smooth, and even casual gaming is quite enjoyable. For those who love mobile gaming at a budget, the C38 offers a good balance between performance and efficiency. It comes with multiple RAM and storage options, giving you the flexibility to choose what fits your needs best. The camera setup on the Realme C38 is another area where it shines. On the back you get a dual camera system led by a high-resolution main sensor that captures detailed and vibrant shots in good lighting conditions. Whether it is daylight landscapes or close-up portraits, the results are impressive for its price range. Night photography is supported with AI enhancements, helping to brighten up low-light shots without making them too grainy. On the front there is a sharp selfie camera that is perfect for video calls and snapping social media-ready pictures. One of the biggest strengths of the Realme C38 is its battery life. It houses a massive 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day with heavy usage and can even stretch to 2 days with moderate use. Thanks to efficient software optimization, you do not have to worry about constantly looking for a charger. Speaking of charging, the device supports fast charging, so you can get back up and running quickly if you ever run low. Realme has also packed the C38 with a bunch of smart features like a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for quick and secure unlocking, dual SIM support and expandable storage for all your extra apps and media. The phone runs on the latest version of Realme UI based on Android, providing a clean user experience with useful customization options. Connectivity-wise, the Realme C38 supports all essential bands, ensuring stable mobile data speeds. You also get Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless pairing and internet browsing. Audio quality is decent with a single bottom-firing speaker that gets adequately loud without much distortion. In conclusion, the Realme C38 is a strong contender in the budget smartphone market of 2025. It combines a stylish design, a beautiful display, reliable performance, good cameras and a massive battery into a single affordable package. It is a phone that does not just look good but also delivers on the things that matter most to everyday users. If you are someone who wants a reliable smartphone experience without paying a flagship price, the Realme C38 is definitely worth considering. Realme has once again shown that you do not need to spend a fortune to get a capable, stylish and enjoyable smartphone. Thanks for tuning in to FK iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one. Would you also like a second, slightly shorter version in case you want options?